Hello friends, how are you? Today we will show that the area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Okay, as you know that when we have to find the area of any triangle, then we use this formula half base into height. By using this formula we easily find out the area of triangle. But today we will show this formula. Okay, how to this formula comes out. Okay, so let me first draw a triangle ABC. Okay, ABC A B C, right? Then height H, right? H. Okay, we will prove this formula by drawing a parallelogram in this using this triangle. Okay, so first of all we have to draw a parallel line to BC. This line is parallel to BC and a parallel line to AB, and here these two lines will intersect each other. Okay, assume this point is D, right? So we can see that in this quadrilateral AB parallel DC and BC parallel to AD. So ABD ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, then parallelogram, assume this BC base. Okay, base, this base is common for parallelogram as well as for triangle ABC, right? So, and as we know that the formula of area of a parallelogram is base into height. So area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to base into height. Okay, if we carefully see here, then we will find that this line AC is a diagonal of parallelogram. Okay, and we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divide the parallelogram into half. Okay, so what will be the area of ABC? Area of triangle ABC. What will be the area? As we know that the diagonal of a parallelogram divides the area of parallelogram into equal parts. Okay, so we can say that the area of triangle ABC half of the area of ABCD. Okay, B into H. What is the area of parallelogram? B into H. So what is the half of the area of parallelogram? Half into base into height, right? So this is how we prove this. Okay, right, we can see that this equal to this. Okay, thank you for watching towards the end. See you soon in the next video.